Everybody, it's your girl Nina Soul, giving you another video today. It's a morning smoothie that's going to help you with your immune system. It's going to help you with high blood pressure. It's going to help you with high cholesterol. It's just this overall beneficial. So if you like the stuff that I'm putting out video wise, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Share the video and help me to grow. Thank you so much for being a part of my family. Hey everybody, so I'm going to be making my morning smoothie. I'm just going to be honest with you, I don't do this every day, but the ingredients what we're going to be using, we're using almond milk as our base. We're going to be doing a collagen, a little bit of chlorophyll because that acts as an antioxidant, D3 to boost your immune system. I'm using how much milliliters? Maybe about 10 milliliters of flaxseed. This is really good for fiber. B6 helps with so many things, heart health, omega-3s. Using blueberries as my fruit with some lemon as well, and ginger. So you know lemon acts as alkaline, and your ginger, which is an anti-inflammatory. So these are our ingredients for today, and let's get started. So what we're gonna do, I already got flaxseed on the thing now. I'm going to pour some almond milk, which has not been opened, into our cup. I'm going to use half the cup for now. We're going to add our blueberries. This is simple to do. It takes less than 5 minutes, honestly. Let's just pour that in there. We're going to squeeze a bit of our lemon into this. Remember I said it's high in alkaline. Our bodies sometimes are really acidic. Yes, I got the seed in there. It's too late though. I should have used this thing. And we're going to pour in flax seed. So they say 30 milligrams of flax seed per day will help to reduce any heart attacks, and helps to reduce blood pressure. It's high in fiber, so that's also another benefit. We're gonna add a bit of collagen. I use 1 scoop for this, and collagen is helping with your joints, and also helps with your skin and nails and hair. I'm adding chlorophyll, and chlorophyll is also antioxidant. This one's green, so it's the same also anti-aging. I'm not putting a lot in there because I don't have much left of my chlorophyll. This stuff is powerful. And a little bit of D3 due to the fact that it's winter and we're not getting enough sun, so I'm using an oil base, vitamin D3. What we're gonna do, I'm gonna use my super duper handy blender, and we're just gonna blend this all up. I should throw some out. You know what? I'm gonna throw some of this out because I am making a mess. Because I put too much milk in it. I mean, you have to use your discretion. I probably could just blend this up in my cup. Can you just wipe this up really quick for me? Thank you. Thank you. So this particular blend that I'm doing, there's no sugar or sweetener or anything of the sort in it. So you may want to substitute your milk for fruit juice or add honey for flavoring. Have it, guys. Our smoothie. That took less than 5 minutes. If I didn't make that, making a mess there. Oh, I forgot my ginger. How could I have done that? which is my anti. That looks pretty smooth. Our drink for the morning. So Nina Soka. Yeah, so this is what I use in the mornings. Sometimes I'll put it in a cup and just drink it on the way to work, or I'll try to gulp it down before I come in. And that's it. For I know the plans I have for you, which is to be healthy and strong. Enjoy, guys.